you guys, welcome back. So I am at the second Dollar Tree in this area, and I was told this one may be a little bigger. I just left the other one. I felt it was really small. I'm just trying to get familiar with my area and like the stores. So I may put up this video along with the other Dollar Tree video that I just left today, because you guys, I am on the hunt. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to see what is in my local Dollar Trees. So let's go in. Oh wow, off the top, that's different. The counters are red. That's definitely different. Okay, so they have their book display out right here. Looks like a lot of cool little books. Thieving Weasels. The Beastly Dreadfuls. Oh, that looks cool. Lots of books right here. But I'm excited to walk around, so let's see what's in this location. And this store is just as quiet as the first one I went to. So this is their back to school stuff. I've seen all of these socks. Here's all of their back to school. So I'm just gonna continue to walk through the store and see if I can find something to show you guys. Okay, so here's their fall selection right here. You got the scarecrows. I just showed you most of this stuff in my other video, but I only saw the orange and the red. They also have this cream and that green color. That's cute. Oh, look at this scarecrow. It's actually a pumpkin. That's cute. They got these pails. They usually have these. What is this? Oh, that's cute. It's like a squishy kind of weighted ball. Some kind of decor you can use. I like that. They got those pumpkins. Oh, they got the beaded ones. I remember these were out before. I think it was last year. It's just the styrofoam ones and they just beaded them. So you have that kind of bronze color, that orange one, gold. Over here you got the burlap style in 2 different colors. These. And in here you got the velvet ones. These are kind of like velvet. So I see orange and I see that tan color. Let's see. This one. And here is their signs. I do like this one. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Super cute. There's their floral arrangements. Okay, so far I can say I'm liking this store. And this one is actually closer to my house compared to the other one that I just left. Oh, I like those blue flowers. And the green. Let's see, we bypassed some of this. You got the pics, the pictures. Okay, here are the salt and pepper shakers. They have the owls. I still have these squirrels from like a year ago or 2 years ago. And they have the pumpkin ones again. Let's see, you got the leaf bowls in green, kind of like a orange, like a deep orange, and then I have a lighter orange right there. And napkins and plates. That's cute. They have these little owls right here, the little door hangers, lots of ribbon. What are these? Little pumpkins. And more Halloween stuff, but I showed you guys most of this in my recent video. So if you missed that one, I will link that at the end of this, so you guys can go back and check out what I saw for fall and Halloween. These are cute though. I didn't see these. You can paint these. Okay, over here it looks like they put out some more of the sequin little boxes, shadow boxes, Walking on Sunshine. They just have different sayings. So let's see that one. Imagine, dream, and believe. And I think those are the only two colors I see. Oh wait, there's something else back there. Live every moment, laugh every day, love with all your heart. You know, I love that purple one. And I think that might be it. Oh, nope, there's one more. Life is my favorite adventure. Okay, I think that's it. They have these little signs. Those little boxes. These trinket dishes with the gold and acrylic. Okay, on this last row of their store, they have all the pillows. So everybody is having, or you know, showing the pillows right now. You got these microfiber washcloths with the emojis. Here's some more little bath rugs with some different designs or patterns on them. There's the butterflies. Okay, over here on this display, they have those cute little wall hooks up there. A, B, and C for a kid's room. These were here before. They do have them again, the little banks. So you have the ducks, the elephants, and the hippopotamus. What else did I just see? Let's see down here. Mighty and So Tiny. Little thing you can just put the easel and sit it out. Hello, little handsome. These cute little pictures. Let the world hear you roar. You have those again. The little wall hooks. And more of the letters. Oh, look at him. He's cute. Holds up to 6.6 pounds. A key hook hanger. There's a cute little bag down there that says you can change the world. Here's their scarves. A few hats. They have out all of their orange and brown and green sunflower stuff for the kitchen. Okay, wow, look at this. They put, it looks like all of their like really cool little stuff in one area. So I don't have to go hunting through the store. They have the cute little pins, the cactus. I'll just show you what I see. The little novelty pins down there, little cactus cups, the pineapple stationery. These little pom-pom keychains, lip gloss, those, lip gloss. We got the giant jumbo pens. The flamingo lip gloss, the little pens down there. There's the cell phone holder chairs. The zipper purses and cosmetic bags. They still have these. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this Dollar Tree. I do like this one a lot more. The layout is a little different than what I'm used to down in San Diego, but I'll get used to it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. I will talk to you guys real soon in another video. Okay, I gotta get used to this area now. Bye, you guys.